Hello everyone, welcome back. In this episode of Cook With Him, we are going to prepare fish tikka. The ingredients we are going to require for making this recipe: 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 5 tablespoons of red chili paste, 1 bowl of hung curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, lemon wedges, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour, 1 tablespoon dry mango powder, fillets of basa fish, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Firstly, wash and dry the fish fillets. Now cut the fillet into 2 pieces. Take the thicker half part and cut it vertically into 2 pieces. Now to the slightly thinner part, cut it horizontally. We need to make sure to cut the fish fillet into smaller chunks or pieces. Not too small, neither too big. Similarly, cut the other fillet into chunks. And collect all the fish pieces into a bowl. Now to the fish, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Squeeze some lemon wedges and coat the fish well with lemon juice. Now add 3 tablespoons of red chili paste. The chili paste will give desired color to the fish tikka. Now add some salt to taste. Mix everything well, making sure to combine everything properly. Now we are done with the first marination. Leave to marinate for half an hour. To begin with the second marination, to the mixing bowl add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. Using a whisker, mix all the ingredients properly until combined well. Later, to this mixture, add 1 bowl of hung curd. Using your hand, combine the hung curd with the spice mixture. You need to blend everything properly and make sure there are no lumps of yogurt in the second marination. It should be thick and smooth. Now add the remaining red chili paste and mix everything again. Also add some salt to taste. Combine everything well and set it aside. Then add the marinated fish pieces into the second marination. Also coat the fish pieces well with the second marination. Marinate the fish and set it aside for more half an hour. Place a small steel bowl in between. Add a hot and burning charcoal, to which some ghee to give the tikka a smoky essence. Heat a grill pan, sprinkle some mustard oil. Slow the flame to low and place the fish pieces carefully on the grill pan. Roast them for 2 minutes and then flip and cook for another 2 minutes. When all the masala become dry, remove and transfer it to a plate. Similarly, following the same procedure, place the other batch of the fish pieces. Cook them for 6 to 7 minutes till crisp golden by flipping at some interval. And here our fish tikkas are ready. Fish tikka is served as an appetizer or snacks along with green chutney, lemon wedges and lachha onion or onion rings. Do give it a try at your home, you are surely gonna love it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.